Hello and welcome back to another IG pack opening. Today we have ourselves a Fusion Strike pack. Yes, Fusion Strike. Okay. Card off back. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Steel Energy. Got ourselves an Eldegoss to start us off. Followed up by a Galarian Panzerker. Rainbow, or Fusion Strike Energy, a Qfant, Gligar in the forest, Slugma near the lava, of course, a Kitty by the river's edge, Phalanx, Durant for our reverse, and for the rare we have ourselves my boy, Swampert. Hollow even. Very nice. I love it. See you next time, boys.